Good morning, Ms. Neville Science students. I wanted to check in with you today to let you know how this week and next week will work for virtual in the science classroom. As you know, you have some assignments that you're working on today or this week. And so you'll want to make sure that you're getting those assignments completed and turned in on time. Any assignment that is open, it is closed this week after its due date. So, for example, the 2 fungi assignments that were due at the beginning of the week are now closed, and you won't be able to work on those. I do that because I want to be able to get grades updated with comments and all of those things on report cards for you and your parents. And so I wanted to make sure I have time to get that done with quality work. And so anything that is past its due date, like those fungi assignments, the understanding the cell assignment, all of that will be closed after its due date. This gives Ms. Neville time to update grades and get everything done like it needs to be. If you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to email me. Today we will be having our last live session where everyone will be able to join us. A lot of schools are asking their students who have district laptops and hotspots to turn them in on Friday. So that means a lot of our classmates won't be able to attend live sessions anymore. So what's going to happen is I'm going to upload a discussion board that everyone can take part in and complete on Schoology if they have technology. If a student doesn't have technology, it will not count against them if they don't participate. So today will be our last live session. I want to make sure everyone is in class. Classes will start at their regular time this afternoon. So you want to make sure that you're present. If you have any questions for me about what next week will look like, please stay tuned to our science class where I'm going to be able to give you some detailed information. That lesson will be recorded, so you'll be able to watch that. Please let Ms. Neville know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing everyone at the end or this afternoon. Bye.